Meron po tayong good news. Nako, magugulat kayo. Ito, i-share ko po itong news ng PIA, Philippine Information Agency. Sabi dito, PBBM, inutusan ang DBM na bigyan ng mas mataas na SRI ang mga teachers. Nako, ang saya. Ito lang, ngayong umaga lang ito na December 10, 2024. Ano bang nakalagay dito? Sabi dito, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. has directed the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, and the Department of Education to work together on providing a higher Service Recognition Incentive or SRI for public school teachers. Recognizing the crucial role of teachers in molding the Filipino youth, the government aims to increase the SRI of an estimated 1,11,800 DepEd personnel from the current 18,000 to 20,000 pesos. Naku, buong buo. The SRI is a yearly financial incentive granted to government employees. Recognize their commitment and dedication to quality and responsive public service. This December 2024, President Marcos Jr. has tasked the DBM and DepEd to explore budgetary measures to ensure the SRI increase for DepEd personnel can be implemented while remaining mindful of fiscal responsibilities. Education Secretary Sonny Angara expressed his gratitude for the President's directive, calling it a moral booster for the nation's educators. This initiative underscores our shared goal of empowering teachers and reinforcing their critical role in shaping the future of the Filipino learners. Ito ang sabi ni Secretary Angara. Further announcements on the implementation and timeline for the increased SRI are expected as the DBM and DepEd finalize the necessary funding mechanism. Yan, mga kaguro. Ano? Sabi pa ni JB Sukal, ano kayo dyan, di ba? Di tama ang hinala natin. DepEd pa naman yung may pinakamaraming tao sa social media, no? Kaya panalo po ang ating mahal na presidente. Thank you po sa pagbibigay ng pamasko. Ito ang tunay na maagang Pasko sa mga guro, hindi yung moratorium. Pero in fairness naman, yung iba talaga gusto yung moratorium. Nako, dadami yung babayaran natin doon, mga ka-teacher nabs. Okay na ako dyan sa SRI. Anyway, kung gusto mo ng mas malaking pera, di mag-reload na lang tayo, di ba? Kung may pambayad tayo. Nako, kudos po mga ka-teacher nabs at saka sa mahal naming presidente. Thank you for that assurance na bigyan ng 20,000 na SRI. Hanggang dito na lang po. Bye-bye.